Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer store inventory to Walmart Marketplace from Shopify step by step clearly. Log in to your Shopify account. From the Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Apps section. In the Apps section, find and open the Walmart Marketplace app. If you haven't installed the app yet, search for it in the Shopify App Store and install it. Once in the Walmart Marketplace app, connect your Walmart seller account. Follow the prompts to allow access between Shopify and Walmart. After the connection is established, return to the app dashboard. Locate the Inventory Management section within the app. Choose the products you wish to transfer to Walmart. You can select specific products or opt for all eligible inventory. Check that the product details are set correctly for Walmart's requirements. Make any necessary adjustments for pricing, descriptions, and categories. Once satisfied, proceed to the Export section of the app. Click on the Export to Walmart button or similar option. Wait for the app to process your inventory upload. Once the upload is complete, check for any errors or issues listed. If there are errors, follow the recommendations to correct them. If there are no issues, your products are now live on Walmart Marketplace. Visit your Walmart seller account to confirm the products are listed. Monitor your listings for visibility and sales performance. Adjust your inventory levels in Shopify as sales occur on Walmart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.